These workers are offloading buckets of glue, that's right, glue, that will be used to install new flooring. The water that spread through much of the building never got higher than a few inches in most places, but that was enough to damage vast amounts of flooring. The base for the floors has already been thoroughly cleaned and prepared. What's happening now in the building is that workers are gluing the floor tiles in place. This process is expected to take 6 to 8 weeks, and this is just some of the large quantity of glue necessary to affix 105,000 square feet of flooring. Other important work is underway to prepare the concrete blocks on which our new boilers will sit. Prior to the storm, they were in a low area which we called the pit. Our 4 new boilers will be located higher up in a spot where a large water heater used to be. They will be placed on these concrete blocks. The boilers were ordered at the end of January, just as soon as we had voter approval to make those purchases. They were delivered on Friday, April 29th, and set on the concrete pads. Installation has already begun and should be completed by mid-June.